Did you know that 90% of startups fail? That means if you're an entrepreneur, the odds are stacked against you. But don't worry, because today, I'm revealing exactly why most startups crash and more importantly, how you can avoid these mistakes and build a thriving business. If you're serious about success, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Most startups don't fail because they run out of money. They fail because they're solving a problem no one cares about. Uber, Airbnb, and Tesla succeeded because they solved a real pain point. Before you launch, ask yourself, are people actually willing to pay for what you're offering? Cash flow is the lifeline of any business. Many startups burn money on fancy offices, big marketing campaigns, and hiring too fast. The secret? Stay lean. Bootstrap where you can. And always have a plan for the next 6 months of expenses. If your business isn't making money, it's not a business, it's a hobby. Many startups chase growth but forget profitability. Netflix, Amazon, and Facebook all had clear revenue models. Ask yourself, how will you consistently generate income? A great idea is nothing without the right team. Many startups fail due to founder conflicts, lack of expertise, or bad hiring decisions. Build a team that complements your skills and shares your vision. Steve Jobs had Wozniak, Zuckerberg had Moskowitz. Who's in your corner? If you're not listening to your customers, you're building a business for yourself, not them. Many startups get so attached to their idea that they ignore what users actually want. The solution? Adapt fast, pivot when needed, and always put customers first. Now that you know why startups fail, let's talk about how to make sure yours doesn't. Validate your idea before investing too much. Keep expenses low in the early days. Build a strong team with complementary skills. Focus on a sustainable revenue model. Listen to your customers and adapt quickly. Which of these mistakes do you think is the biggest startup killer? Drop a comment below, let's talk. And if you found value in this video, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and share it with an entrepreneur who needs to hear this. See you in the next video. Let's build something great.